Welcome to DK's Follies. As you can see, I have just opened the kickstart assembly of my jialing jh50, which is a copy of Honda Hobbit pa50. And let's see, this is the I don't know what it is called, ratchet type thing, which is attached to the magnet for starting it, and it starts like this using this finger type thing on it. And then I have opened the bolts. Now let's see how the two parts get off of each other. I think I'll open it, then I'll show you how it is done properly, or how was it done. Stay tuned for another video. Thank you very much.